welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put on a bracelet because I opened my Etsy shop and I just want to make sure that people know how to put their bracelet on whenever they get it. So in today's video, I'm going to be using this bracelet as an example, and I guess let's just begin. Alright, so I have my other bracelets pushed back, but there are two different ways you can do this. The easier way for me is see how there are two different ties here and a loop? I take one of the ties and put it through the loop just because it's kind of difficult to put that through when it's on your wrist. And then you have kind of this here with your string through the loop. And then you're gonna put your hand through the bracelet. And I'm struggling to get it on. And then see how that string is here? You can tighten it however much you want. And then hold that string, hold it with your middle finger or whatever finger. And then take the other one and tie a knot. So tie a first knot, like tie one knot, and then tie a second knot just to make sure it's completely secure. And then you have your bracelet on. So that is how I generally put my bracelets on, but there is another way that I find actually harder, so I wouldn't recommend doing it, but you can if you want. So basically you put the bracelet under your wrist and then take one of the ties and you have to put it through the loop and then tie it on, but this loop isn't quite big enough for this. If the loop is big enough, it's easier, but I can't do it with this. But basically, you put the string through the loop and tie it up the same exact way. And that was an extremely quick video, but I just didn't quite have time to make a different video this week, and I thought that that would be good information. Because honestly, whenever I first started making bracelets, I didn't know how to put the bracelet on. So yeah, I guess that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!